I think to be very honest about it, within the industry, it has been so much talked about, so much discussed, moved on. Because when the whole thing went down, it was a shock both outside the industry, inside the industry. The companies which had treasuries at FTX, the companies which has investments from them, had liquidity over there. They have already over a year has figured out a path, have charted away. But on the regulation side, on the trust in this industry and the overall encompassing movement, whether can you really trust, can you have a governance out here, I feel like this whole trial is going to set up the new rule book for us, and which honestly everyone in this industry is very excited about.
Kavita, you mentioned regulation here. We recently had Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong on Yahoo Finance. He was talking about that and said that the U.S. is really falling behind here on the regulatory front. We don't have clear rules, he noted, on the books for how crypto should be regulated, how consumers should be protected. Do you expect that to be coming, Kavita, those new regulations?
Josh, I wish this could have happened 4 years, 3 years back, because this is one of the most technology industry, the evolution which started from US. And I completely agree with Brian. We have really, really fell behind. And France, UK, Dubai, Singapore, most of the other developing nations who really, or developed nations who really wants to be ahead in technology has way more clarity than US have. But at this point of time, unfortunately, this is my personal feeling that it has become too politicized. I don't see that SEC is really trying to put a clarity, because every time they have gone in front of the court, every time they have gone in front of the Senate, it feels like they themselves are very confused. This seems like more of a power play than to actually give a very clear direction of let's do this and let's not do this to really save the retail customers. I mean, FTX has been very close with the SEC chairman, Gary Gensler, and I don't think retail customers were really safe there.